Hello everyone, I am Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology, and today we are discuss about in functional dependencies. First of all, the dependency is consist of the dependency is a database management systems and the relationship among the attributes and uh, uh, attributes and uh, attributes in the relations. The attributes it's nothing but in columns, the relation is a table, and then understanding the dependencies that helps to identify the redundancy, avoid the anomalies and achieve the proper normalizations. And then the functional dependency is consist of a uh, of the when the value of one attributes, that means a set of attributes, it's uniquely determine the values in the another attribute, and this is and relationship is denoted into the x tends to y. Here the x is the determinant of y and y is the dependent of attribute. This means that for the each unique values of x, there is a precisely one corresponding values of y. Um, and then for the given the examples of student id, student name and student age is nothing but the following dependencies on student id is dependent into student name, and then the student id is dependent into the student age. Note that the functionalities of the functional dependency of student name and student age are and student age and student name due to the hold of the process. Then how represent the functional dependency in database management systems? The functional dependency is expressed in the form of the equalities. For the examples, we have an employee record with the fields in employee id and first name, last name, and we can specify the functions are allowed into employee id tends to first name and last name. There are the two main features are represented in the functional dependency in database management systems: the left LHS and right LHS of the arrow. For the example, if we have the table of attributes in x, y and z, and the attribute x can be determined into the values of attribute in x and y. That means x tends to y and z. In the symbol of indicates the value to attribute the determines the values of attribute y and z. So if we know the values of x, you can also determine the value of y and z. And then the benefits of functional dependency is in database management systems. The concept of normalization is based on the functional dependency, and then using the functional dependency we break the table of the multiple tables, and that the help as the preventing the duplicate data, and then the enhancing the total quality, enhancing the data quality, and less errors and better the database designs. And then how to use the functional dependency for the database management systems. The FD are the more than the theoretical notations. They are the tools that can be utilized to develop a reliable and efficient database design. This is the how can use this knowledges. The first one is in identifying the redundancy. The functional dependency help the pinpoint unnecessary repetition of data. For the example, if you are the typing the same course name in every time you enter the course id is the uh, beginning input unnecessarily. The FD is organizing the separate related tables of element eliminated into the redundancy. The second thing is then the finding the primary keys. By understanding the FDEs, you can out the which attributes and uniquely identify the record. For example, student ID makes the excellent choice for the primary key if contains the name, emails and ages. And then the normalization, the FD or the heart of normalization, the process of organizing the database management system into the well structured tables. The first normalization is each field contains the atomic values. The second NF is remove the partial dependency, and then the third one is the remove the transitive dependencies. And one fourth one is avoiding anomalies. It's based on the bad database design can lead into the updated anomalies, insert anomalies and delete anomalies. And then the fifth one is the query optimization to understanding the functional dependency and also help the database engine to better the optimize the queries to give the lowest processing time and the most efficient time into the running time. And then last one is an integrity enforcement. If it is ensure the data integrity, and if the rule of like employee ID and department to exist into the two employees with the same ID should be belong the department, so belong into the different departments. Thank you.